Hi guys, today we're going to change the lock to this one. Unfortunately, I happened to lost my key, so for safety, I'm going to change it today. So let's start. First, you need to open the door. Yeah. Then unscrew this middle screw here. Actually, this is not a screw, but it is the lock on this part. So you need to unscrew it. This is the part, and then you need to insert your key. Your key should be the lock should be inside, so that you can push it. You can push your lock, this one. After you unscrew it, you can push it and then you can remove it. See? Easy peasy. And then now insert the new lock. So this is the new one. So this is the new one. Make sure that it's aligned, not like that, not upwards, not left nor right, but facing downwards. So you need to insert it slowly and smoothly. See? And then after you insert it, insert the screw. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Then secure it properly. Now I can turn it, lock on, then unlock it. See? Simple steps to change your door lock. Bye.